Looking for a content creation tool to help you write your blog post? Look no further. The Blog Creation Wizard is a powerful AI tool by Tailwind that will help you turn your ideas into blog posts in just a few minutes. Users have to enter your article idea, generate outlines, and then it will write the entire blog post while you sit back and watch. You can start writing a blog post with the Blog Creation Wizard by selecting the From Idea to Full Article tool from Tailwind Dashboard AI Lab section. Now enter your article or blog post topic in the Blog Creation Wizard. Provide as much detail as you can to assist the AI in generating the best content. Then click Generate Titles. Here you will get 5 article titles and short description, almost like an introduction paragraph or meta description. So you can see what direction the AI would take. You can select your favorite title and click Continue to Outline. Here you will find the article title and summary, both of which are editable. You can include keywords if you wish and click Generate Outline. The panel on the right will generate an outline. Here you can edit the title, introduction, subheadings, and the conclusion. You can continue to the next step by clicking on the Generate Full Article if you are satisfied with the outline. Now watch the Blog Creation Wizard write your article word by word as you click Generate Full Article. You can make edits within the Blog Creation Wizard, or you can download or copy the document to publish it wherever you want. Obviously, you should take the time to edit the article to ensure that it fits your style of writing as well. It's a good idea to add your own experience and expertise to make the article as unique as possible. Thanks for watching. You can check the description box to learn more about Tailwind Blog Creation Wizard. Bye bye.